Hi friends, welcome to my humble homestead and garden side chat. Today I'm going to make a hard and tile floor cleaner. It's non-toxic. So what are the reasons why we should make our own floor? Many of the commercial cleaners use toxic chemicals. When you're using toxic chemicals on your floor, your pets, children, and even adults, when we walk on the floor barefoot, it can seep through the skin. When babies are crawling and then they put their hands in their mouths, those chemicals are absorbed into our bodies. It's so important to use natural substances in our cleaning products. Many of the cleaners contain particles of plastic called xylene that are dispersed into the air and we breathe them in. This can cause the autoimmune reaction because our bodies try to get rid of them. Our bodies can sneeze, cough, watery eyes because we're rejecting them and we're trying to get rid of the plastic out of our bodies because it's a foreign substance. Other things like scents, artificial scents can cause headaches, respiratory issues. Some products contain sodium chloride, which is bleach, which also can irritate our respiratory system as well. So here are the ingredients in my floor cleaner. Number one, water, which everybody should have. Castile soap, white vinegar by choice, which I always choose, some essential oils to make it smell better. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take 3 cups of water. Here we go. This is so easy. It can literally be done in like 2 minutes. 1/3 cup of vinegar, 1/2 a tablespoon of Castile soap, and then 5 to 10 drops of essential oils. If you have real hardwood floors, you don't want to use more than 10 drops because if you use too much, it can strip the finish on your floors. I would err more towards 5 drops because that way if you do a couple more, then you don't have to worry about it, okay? I have luxury laminate. I'm gonna do the 10. There we go. That is it. And what I do is I just pour it in my jar here. It perfectly fits in my quart-sized jar. And when I use it, I just do a little swish like that. You can use this in your electric mops. You can use it in your mopping by hand. I use it in I just have this little, I'm all about being frugal, so I just fill this up and I use it as my spray and mop. So this is what I use for mine. It literally costs less than 50 cents per making this whole jug. So you can figure out how much it'll cost and you can make, double it, triple it, however many floors you have to do. Super cheap, super easy, non-toxic on your health. That's all I have today, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and be blessed. Clean for your health. Bye.